before names were spoken, before footsteps learned direction, the river already knew him.
Hey, this child did not come alone.
When the heavens bend in daylight, it is not to frighten men, it is to announce purpose. Ancestors, guide what you have sent.
Some destinies are spoken aloud. Others are carried quietly until the world is ready.
Grandmother, why do I feel cold when the sky is quiet? Because the sky remembers you.
He grew, but the call grew faster.
Why is my heart walking south while my feet are here?
Not all drums are beaten by hands.
Come, return, remember. Who is calling me?
Dreams are maps, drawn by spirits.
Child of two sons, your feet must follow memory. I am listening.
Aseibu Amanfi, the wanderer of two sons.
This does not belong to Egypt alone. It belongs to your blood. Tools choose their owners. Not the other way round.
You raised me. Now release me.
Every river must one day let go.
The body travels roads. The spirit travels time.
Keep close. The desert has no mercy. But destiny fears no heat.
Brother, where are you going?
Home, though I have not seen it yet.
Ancestors, stand with me!
When the winds rage, the spirits answer the call.
When the world attacks, roots reveal themselves.
We walked, we suffered, so you would arise.
I will not fail you. Bury me facing the sunrise.
Death teaches the living how to walk straighter.
Life, I can feel you again.
I am home, even if home does not know me yet.
Soil remembers footsteps.
Walk gently. This land breathes.
Only those sent by blood carry that staff.
Then blood has sent me.
You did not wander. You returned.
History is a circle, not a straight line.
Where land meets water, stories begin again.
The ocean calls you home, child of the two sons.
That staff. We have seen it before.
He shines.
You left as a call. You return as an answer.